Hey. Hey. It's okay. Hey. Say hey to America. Oh, what's going on, darling? Oh, come here. Okay. Okay. Well, hello. Hello, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. There you go, darling. Yeah. You're the ones that make a lot of noise in the trees, aren't you? Aren't you one of them? Aren't you one of them? You're so cute. Oh my God, you are so freaking cute. I think I love you. Well, let's go put you on a tree. I don't know where to put you, actually. Let's go on this journey together, honey. Oh, you're so cute. Look at his eyes. Okay. All right. You know, you can fly. You fly off for me. It's okay, darling. You probably just got your wings, didn't you, honey? So you don't really know. Am I your first encounter? Oh my goodness. It's a good Bobo. Let me go put her. Come on, let's go back to the wilderness. Alright, yeah. Oh yeah, you're getting a walking. You see all the trees. Oh, there you go. Good job. Bye-bye.